Girl, I can't believe we're even here. Hey my darlings, what's good, what's good, what's goody? I haven't filmed a sit down video in what seems like forever minutes, but how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. Today I'm going to be talking about weight loss tips you ain't never heard on the internet. Listen, if after this video by the end you heard anything from this video anywhere else, I'm gonna give you your data back, okay? Period. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am Adiah, but y'all can call me Didi, my darlings. If you're new here, hi, I'm Didi. Click and subscribe and join the family. And if you're not new, then you know how we do it, okay? Period. I have been on my weight loss journey for a minute. I got consistent last year, and in the space of, let's say, from like November, October, I had my midlife crisis in October, so it's like November, and we're in April. 5 months. I don't check the scale, so I don't know how much weight I've lost, but there are pictures on the screen right now. I've gone through it all. I probably make a separate video on like my entire journey, but I just wanted to give you guys the tips that have helped me lose so much weight, get so much more healthy in the last 5 months. And if you're in for that, then keep watching. The first tip I have for you is to make it easy. Now, you don't want to be having a very strict schedule that is completely different from everything you've known, everything you're used to, because that just feels like a very sudden push, a resistance against what you know, and your brain is gonna fight you till you go back to what you already know. So make it easy. Just replace one habit with another. Put the new habit in between two habits that you already like. Just stuff like that. Learn how to stack your habits. I'm reading Atomic Habits, and honestly this has just opened my mind for me now, working out. So usually when I wake up in the morning, I go pee, brush my teeth, come back, pray, right? So now I go pee, brush my teeth, work out, come back, pray. So just like I put it in the middle of things I'm already used to, and so it just goes like that. The next tip I have for you is to have a vision that motivates you. And the person I have there is Nikita. And Kita has been working out consistently for almost 12 years now, if not more. And that is the kind of lifestyle I want. Healthy, working out. That is the vision that motivates me. Is her body banging? Of course. I see her and her lifestyle, and that's what motivates me. So it's not about the body, like, oh yeah. But it's like, do you know what they did to get it done? You know? So have a vision that motivates you. And every time I see her, I'm like, dang, she's been at this for 12 years. If she can do it, I can do it too. And that's a vision. And that's what keeps me going. So you should find you a vision that motivates you, and you can pick off energy off of that every time you feel you don't want to work out, you don't want to do this, you don't want to do that. You're like, hold on, this person done did this for so many years. Like, girl, get off your ass. Like, that kind of stuff. So another thing that I've learned is to ditch the scale. Honey, I will never use my own money to purchase a scale as of right now. Okay, I had a scale growing up, and I know what that piece of equipment did to me, so I never buy one for myself. I mean, that might change later, but not right now. I only check the scale when I go for medical checkups, you know. So the last time I checked, before I started my weight loss, I was at 82, and the last time I checked, I was at 75. That's it. So in my mind, I'm 75. I might have gone up, I might have gone down, girl. I don't even know, don't want to know, don't care, none of that. I don't know. I ditched the scale because growing up, I had a lot of attachment to the number. Oh, today I'm 74, tomorrow I'm 62. So I mean, I ain't never been 62 before, but you know what I'm saying? It messed with me mentally, and so I just did not want to have to deal with that. So no, I don't own a scale. I will not buy a scale. I would advise you to ditch the scale and focus more on how your body is feeling than what the number says, because the number will always fluctuate. Your body mass will always fluctuate. You are not a plank, okay? I have for you is consistency in action. Now, a lot of people tell you, oh yeah, you have to be consistent, you have to be consistent. Honey, you have to be consistent. But it's one thing to be consistent with something you can't be consistent with, and another thing to be consistent with something you can't be consistent with. Different, right? Let me explain that. So I mentioned earlier to make it easy, right? So the only way you can be consistent in action is if you make it easy. You get me? Consistency in action simply means you can either decide to pick a high intensity 5 workout split for a week, which is 1 hour per workout, and do that for 1 week and never work out again in your life. or you can decide to do a 10-minute workout twice a week and make sure that even if there's an earthquake, you find a way to get that 10 minutes of workout in. But really, that is how it works. So for me, I'm learning Spanish. I've learned Spanish for over 100 days now, and no matter what is happening in my life, I have to get my streak in. I don't care. I don't have data. I don't know. I have to get my streak in. That is what I call consistency in action. And I'm training myself with my Spanish class to implement that into my other lives. And I've done it every day for 100 days. I'll leave my thing on the screen so you'll know I ain't tripping, okay? But yes, consistency in action will really help you build habits, and with time, when you're consistent at one thing, you know that okay, you've trained this muscle a bit, you can then add another thing and then try to be consistent with the both of them, you know, and then that's how you keep building until you work out every so often, you eat clean every so often, you take sun every so often, you drink water every so often. That's how you do it. The last tip I've got for you is to listen to your body. Okay, listen. There's nothing worse than putting your body through what it does not need to be going through. Now listen, there's a difference between discipline and listening to your body. There's sometimes that you don't want to do nothing and you just can't, and yeah, you know? And there's sometimes where you need to get something done, but you don't want to do it, but you need to get it done. Different. When I'm on my period, I don't work out as hard as I would work out. So if I was to do a 15-minute workout, normally I'd probably do a 10-minute workout. 1 set, we're done. Like, I got my, that's it. Consistency in action. I don't care if I did 1 push-up, 1 press-up, 1, you know, as long as I showed up, consistency in action, I got it done. But you listen to your body. So I don't push myself too much where it affects me in the future, and everything just like, and then I'm not able to show up the next day. Okay, so it's like this. With the first, let's say with the first month of you working out or trying to be healthy, like eating clean, drinking a lot of water, you will definitely see changes in your body. So I would say, you know, find things that you're like, oh, I didn't know I did that. Find those things, and you can see if you repeat them the next month, and you can see how you can react, like how you can treat. On my period, I don't like to work out so much. So when I'm on my period, I do lighter workouts. It's just like stuff like that, you know, and that would help in the overall consistency of your journey. So thank you so much for watching. Tell me y'all ain't never heard any of this thing on the internet before. I'm away, okay? But really, thank you guys so much for listening. These are things that have definitely helped me this past 5 months. I will do a separate video on my entire journey, and if you've learned something new, please let me know in the comment section. If you have something else to share with them girlies, let us know in the comment section. And if you're a new subby, hey, okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, let me know what you want to see from me in the comment section. Say hi, let's chat and get to know you a little bit, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much, my darlings. Love and light, and I'll see you guys in my next video.